What's up guys? So today I am unboxing a very special item. It's my Razer keyboard. I got this yesterday from Black Friday sale at $79.99 at Target. I've been wanting to buy a Razer keyboard for a long time, but they're very expensive, so I waited for Black Friday sale. So yesterday I went to Best Buy, and all the keyboards that have these keys that are complete keys are all wiped out from the shelves, so I had to go to other stores just to check. Good thing that their prices are the same for these keyboards. Whoo! I'm gonna open this now. Oh, look at this. Nice, look at that. It has a protective shield. Let me just take this thing out and I'll be right back. Okay, so I took out all these and the wires here. I don't know if the wire can be removed or not. It's non-removable. And then this is the armrest. Can you hear that sound? Woo! So I'm just gonna plug this in my computer and see what it looks like. There you go. I have plugged in my keyboard to the computer. I put my other old keyboard like this in front of this keyboard so you guys can see the difference between the brightness of the lights. So I had a Razer Synosa light before. I think I just purchased that for $35 or something, and it's a little bit bigger than this, and it doesn't feel premium like this one. This keyboard feels very premium to me. So can you hear that sound? It sounds so clickety and a little loud for me, I think. I think this sounds more like the blue switches, because this one is the Royal Clutch 97% keyboard. This one has brown switch. I will compare the sound. Compared to this, I didn't know that green switches are loud like this, but I still like it. I just hope that this will not disturb my neighbors during the night. So I downloaded the Razer Synapse app and I chose this effect. As you can see, the brightness, they're about the same, but I think the Razer is brighter, just a little bit brighter than the Royal Clutch. It has the Razer logo here, so I thought that the wire would be detachable, but it's not. That's the only thing that I don't like about this keyboard. But overall, I like the feeling while typing. I like the sound. I like the brightness of the lights. The funny thing is that before I got this keyboard, I thought that my old keyboard sound is like the best among the rest. I like that it sounds clickety. and not that loud. But I guess I was just comparing the sound to my membrane keyboards. Now that I got this keyboard, it really is a very big difference. That's it, guys. Bye-bye.